Magic is within and all around us at all times. In the vast tapestry of human experience, there lies a thread that binds the mystical with the scientific, the esoteric with the evident. This thread is the understanding that our inner world, our thoughts, emotions, and intentions have a profound influence on the external reality that we experience. Magic, in its purest form, is not about elaborate rituals, ceremonial robes, or chanting in forgotten tongues. It's about two fundamental skills that instinctively belong to all human beings: attention and intention. And the potency of any magical act is determined by four pillars: belief, imagination, emotion, and clarity. Strip away the theatrics of any magical ceremony or ritual, and you're left with the raw power of the mind and consciousness. Central to harnessing this power is the state of consciousness known as gnosis. Gnosis, derived from the Greek word meaning knowledge of spiritual mysteries, represents a profound understanding of esoteric or mystical truths. Unlike general knowledge, which encompasses a broad awareness acquired through education, experience, or observation, Gnosis delves into a direct, intuitive comprehension of the divine. This concept is central to Gnosticism, a set of religious and philosophical beliefs that surfaced during the early Christian era. The most effective and time-tested method to achieve the state of consciousness known as gnosis is meditation. Meditation at its core is about stilling the mind. It sounds uncomplicated, yet anyone who has tried it knows the challenge of quieting the incessant chatter of thoughts. But with persistence, the mind can be tamed, leading to profound mental benefits, as well as magical benefits in the physical world that have the ability to exceed even the wildest of expectations. Meditation rewires us at the most fundamental levels, infusing clarity, calmness, and knowingness into our subconscious minds, and creating the realization of oneness of the personal and universal self. In this state, one can transcend and even manipulate the world. These powers within us are not supernatural, but rather natural facets of the universe. They are similar to technological advancements, seeming miraculous to the uninitiated, but perfectly logical to those in the know. These powers, from clairvoyance to heightened intuition, can be harnessed through disciplined practice. While cinematic depictions of magic are grand, real magic is often subtle, requiring both talent and practice. Studies have shown that a disciplined mind results in increased synchronicities, deliberate physical manifestations, and other mystical experiences. The message is clear. If you wish to wield magic effectively, maintaining a meditation practice is the first step. I'll go over some of the other steps here in just a moment. But for now, know that meditation is a practice that will help you see the world without the veil of cultural conditioning. Alongside meditation, there are also two potent tools to exercise the will: affirmations and sigils. Affirmations involve writing down clear intentions, reviewing them, and oftentimes keeping them secret. Sigils, on the other hand, are symbols representing desires. Crafting a sigil requires focus, and once created, it's charged with emotion and intention before being released to the universe. I'll discuss exactly how to do this in a moment. But first, let's briefly talk about affirmations and the neuroscience of intention. Every thought that we have is, in essence, an affirmation that creates a neural pathway in our brain. These pathways, when reinforced through repetition and emotion, become our beliefs and our behaviors. When we set a clear intention, we're essentially creating a new neural pathway, signaling to our brain that this is something that we value and want to achieve, whether that's advantageous to us or not. Some call this science, while others call it magic. Either way, we know it works when it comes to manifesting deliberate results. Here's how to enhance your affirmations and your intentions if you're not already familiar. Number 1 is clarity of intention. The first step is to be crystal clear about what you desire. A vague or ambiguous intention is like a blurry image. It doesn't provide the brain with a clear direction. For instance, instead of saying, "I want more money," specify the amount, like, "I manifest an additional $10,000 this year." This type of specificity gives your brain a clear target to work towards. Number 2 is elevated emotion. Thoughts alone are often not enough to make that inner part of you that's connected to the quantum realm and that tirelessly works towards your wishes and commands pay attention to the directive. Your thoughts need to be paired with emotion to create a lasting impact. When you write down your intention, immerse yourself in the feeling of already having achieved it. This combination of thought, electrical charge, and emotion, magnetic charge, creates a unique electromagnetic signature that interacts with the quantum field. I have created some videos about this particular subject in detail, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video to at least one of those so you can watch and learn more. And number 3 is repetition and reinforcement. The more you visit your intention, coupled with the associated emotion, the stronger the neural pathway becomes. This is the neuroscience behind affirmations and visualizations. By repeatedly focusing on your intention and feeling the associated emotions, you're reinforcing this new neural pathway, making it more likely to become a reality. Now let's talk about sigils. Sigils are the quantum symbols of desire. Throughout history, civilizations have used symbols to represent complex ideas, emotions, and intentions. In the quantum realm, where everything is interconnected, these symbols can serve as a powerful anchor, bridging our intentions with the universe's infinite possibility and potential. From a neuroscientific point of view, the subconscious mind uses this same process to drive us instinctively towards our goals. So you'll see it all kind of works together. Here's how to make one. Number 1 is crafting your sigil. Start by writing down your specific desire. You'll want to take the first letter of each word, excluding any vowels, and combine it into an abstract design. Here's an example. This design, or sigil, becomes a visual representation of your intention, a symbol that your subconscious mind can latch onto. 2 is charging your sigil. To infuse your sigil with energy, focus on it while immersing yourself in the elevated emotion of your intention, as we just previously discussed. This could be during a deep meditation session, a moment of profound gratitude, or even during a peak physical activity. The idea is to create a powerful emotional charge, amplifying the sigil's potency. 3 is release and trust. After charging, place your sigil in a location where you're going to see it occasionally. This acts as a gentle reminder, keeping the intention alive in your subconscious mind. However, it's crucial to release any attachment to the outcome. Just trust that the universe is working it out in your favor, and let go of any anxiety or impatience. You're going to live in the fact that it already has happened. Simply know that this infused symbol is working in your favor. By consciously choosing our thoughts and our emotions, we can shape our reality. The intricate interplay of imagination, perception, belief, and action combine to transform ordinary moments into magical experiences. Here's how. Our imagination allows us to conjure worlds and scenarios that are not yet perceivable through our 5 senses. Through imagination, we can visualize our dreams, aspirations, and our desires, painting a mental picture of the enchanting possibilities that lie ahead. The way we perceive the world around us shapes our reality. Our minds have the ability to filter and interpret sensory information in a way that can either dull or enhance our experiences. When we choose to perceive the world with wonder and curiosity, even the most ordinary moments can take on a magical quality. Belief is the magic wand of the human mind. It has the power to turn possibilities into probabilities and dreams into realities. When we believe in ourselves, in the goodness of others, and in the potential for positive change, we open the door to a world where miracles can happen. And while imagination, perception, and belief set the stage, action is the incantation that brings magic to life. It's through our actions that we transform our thoughts and beliefs into tangible results. Each step taken in pursuit of our dreams and goals is a spell cast into the universe, setting the forces of creation into motion. Relationships are another source of magic in our lives. The bonds that we form with others, built on trust, love, and understanding, have the power to create moments of profound enchantment. Acts of kindness, empathy, and shared experiences can weave a tapestry of magic that enriches our lives in ways that we may never fully comprehend. Magic also resides in the unexplained and the mysterious. Our minds are naturally drawn to things that challenge our understanding, and the pursuit of knowledge and exploration can lead to moments of awe and wonder. Science, art, and spirituality are all avenues through which we seek to uncover the hidden secrets of the universe. And last but not least is gratitude. Gratitude is the elixir that intensifies the magic of life. When we take time to appreciate the beauty and blessings that surround us, we amplify the enchantment in our daily experiences. Gratitude reminds us that even in the most challenging times, there's still much to marvel at and be thankful for. In the grand tapestry of existence, the human mind is the master weaver, capable of crafting moments of enchantment, wonder, and magic. By nurturing our imagination, honing our perception, cultivating our beliefs, and taking purposeful action, we can conjure a life that is truly spellbinding. It's in these moments of magic that we find the profound beauty and meaning that make life a captivating journey. This is the magic we hold within to manifest our reality intentionally.